What up, everybody? Check it out. We got a new kit in store, scaleriders.com. We got that R32 Midnight Edition. Beautiful artwork. We're going to go ahead and check out what's inside. Let's go ahead and see. All right, here we go. Just love this artwork. Maybe I should put this behind me. But nah, this one's available for sale. Brand new kit. Check it out. Some fresh, crispy glass right in there. Let's look at the body. Beautiful R32 right here. This is all made by Fujimi right here. It's nice stuff. You also get the interior tub, dashboard, steering wheel, side view mirrors, shifter, all that good stuff right in there. Let's see, what do we got here? The front bumper, the wing. Everything looks clean, like no visible flash. Here we got some optional parts here for the wing right there, the setup. Another bumper right there, ooh, black. Now you got the seats right there. Pretty nice. Let's see what else. Can't forget the tires right there. They look low profile. Ooh, look at these white wheels right here. These are nice. Then you even get a set of the black ones too. Oh, that's dope. You get options right there. I love options. All right, let's see. Now we got the bottom chassis and some, exhaust and other parts to put on there at the bottom to make this all put together. That's clean. Oh yeah, I love this part right here. You even get the looks like carbon fiber. Is it? I mean, I think it might just be black. Could be wrong. But this is nice right here. Nice little set. And then also, I always love the license plates right here. Skyline. Window masks. Let's see. What do we got here for the window masks? Oh, what? What are these? Cutouts? Yeah, it looks like it. It's not the stickers, just the cutouts, people. Check that out. First time I ever see this little paper right there. And then let's go ahead and peep out the instructions real quick. So we got the wheel setup right down there. We also got the bottom chassis, the interior, the seats, the tubs. Down to inserting the glass, final pieces there, and we're done. Pretty straightforward. Pretty dope. So there you have it, guys. This is the R32 Midnight Edition right here, available on our website, scaleriders.com. Check us out right there. And thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Peace out.